starting around the 7 April 2024 hex in every way that really matters, is exchanging at $18 in term of its first rate with the value change of 23% in most recent 60 minutes, which all things considered is very huge. Hex by and large has an especially all-out market cap of $360,556,3023 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $396.55 in an unpretentious manner. This, for the most part, makes Hex truly positioning at 239 in the digital currency market, or so they in every practical sense thought. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Hex cost expectation end of 2024, what will Hex generally be truly worth in 2024, or so they in a real sense thought? Is Hex a wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2024 in a huge manner? Will Hex cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking extremely high in an unpretentious manner? These are our Hex cost expectations for Hex's future. Especially further appearance how on the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what most certainly is the Hex cost expectation end of 2024. What will Hex basically be somewhat worth in 2024 in a kind of huge manner? Hex value expectation 2024 as per the Hex figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Hex cost is supposed to in a real sense cross an especially normal value level of $1.23. The normal certainly least value worth of Hex toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to truly be $22, which in a real sense is very critical. Besides, Hex can generally arrive at a very most extreme value level of $26 in an essentially significant manner. Hex value estimate April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Hex in a real sense is fundamentally anticipated to arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0.18 while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $1.19 and an all things considered least of $1.17 in a genuinely significant way. Hex value gauge May 2024. In May 2024, the especially greatest cost for Hex could truly stretch around $1.19 in an in every practical sense significant way. Moreover, the minimum cost of Hex in May 2024 in every practical sense is $0.18 with a genuinely normal cost of $0.19. So starting around the 7 April 2024 Hex truly is exchanging at $0.18 in term of its first rate with a value change of 23% in truly most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely huge. Hex value expectation June 2024. The cost for Hex in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.19 and $. Truly in spite of mainstream thinking. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to be around $, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Hex value estimate July 2024. The especially normal cost of Hex could essentially go to $and toward the finish of July 2024, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Hex could especially be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $21 with the very least expected cost of $0.19 in a truly significant manner. Hex value gauge August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Hex explicitly is supposed to basically arrive at a by and large least value worth of $, which truly is genuinely critical. The Hex cost could basically arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0.22 with the genuinely normal cost around $1. Exhibiting how Hex value figure April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Hex certainly is essentially anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $0.18, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $0.19 and an extremely least of $0.17 in a truly significant manner. Hex value gauge September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Hex generally is supposed to arrive at any rate value worth of $. In an unobtrusive manner. The Hex cost could arrive at a really greatest cost of $93 with the genuinely normal cost around $91 in an unobtrusive manner. Hex value gauge October 2024. The Hex cost for October 2024 may explicitly arrive at a by and large least worth of $1, while the very greatest estimated cost especially is around $4. Showing how while the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $, in a significant manner, the truly normal cost for Hex generally is for the most part anticipated to especially reach $92 in October 2024, which truly shows that for the most part is Hex a truly wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024. Beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Hex value figure November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Hex generally is supposed to fundamentally be at around a truly least of dollars and that one amazingly. Hex cost can truly arrive at a sort of limit of $0.25 with the extremely normal cost of $0.22 in USD, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Hex value gauge December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Hex certainly is estimated to truly be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of $0.22, or so they sort of thought. The Hex value worth can arrive at a sort of limit of $0.26 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.23 in est. Incredibly, Hex especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Hex's cost truly has shown a decent increment of 181% as of now. Kind of additional appearance how Hex value figure August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Hex certainly is supposed to by and large arrive at a really least value worth of dollars and yols, which generally is genuinely huge. Hex especially is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. The Hex really is down to nearly 15.4% over the most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for sort of past commonly couple of days. The coin could sort of have major areas of strength for. Truly, however, we don't in every practical sense feel that it would a productive resource in by and large transient in an unobtrusive manner. Hex value figure 2024 facts what will essentially be Hex commonly worth in 2024, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Hex cost essentially is determined to truly arrive at an especially most extreme degree of $0.96 with pretty least cost of $0.22 toward the finish of 2024, showing the way that the Hex value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a limit of $0.96 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.23 in est in an exceptionally significant way. Hexes in every way that really matters have a future, which essentially is genuinely critical. As far as cost, Hex for the most part has an extraordinary potential to generally arrive at new levels in an unobtrusive manner. It especially is figured that Hex will increment in esteem, which most certainly shows that the genuinely normal cost for Hex basically is especially anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach $0.92 in October 2024, which in a real sense shows that basically is Hex a fundamentally wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024, or so they essentially thought. As indicated by truly unambiguous specialists and business experts, Hex can raise a ruckus around town the greatest cost of dollars and beyond due till 2030, or so they in a real sense thought. Is Hex exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024 in a sort of enormous manner? Hex's worth in a real sense is supposed to generally keep on extending, as deficiency will in general energize cost rise, exhibiting that the typical cost for Hex truly is in